Good morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools, and we are busy with a new job here in Pinehurst. I don't know actually how we're going to get through here. We're going to jump over the customer's wall. He's not here at the moment, but as you can see, we're dealing with a really rough swimming pool. I think they did a gel coat here before, but let's get in it and let's try and get a 360 degree what's happening here. We've now gone through it here. As you can see here, we'll start grinding here. On this side here, you can already see we started grinding. Some of the fiberglass has come loose. This has been painted twice. I can see there's two different gel coats over it here. And I'll try and go a bit closer here so that you can see. And maybe here also in the sun. But anyway, that is the job. I'm trying to get out of here. There's no step. But until next time, this is the job that we're busy with. I'm going to keep you up to date and take you on the journey like always. From my side, until tomorrow, bye. And I'm back here in Pinehurst for the second part of this job. And as you can see, guys has done the relining. It's now just sanding down and then fixing all the imperfections around the pool. There's some spots here that you can see here as well. I'll try and turn around and you can see there some imperfections around the pool. We're going to still fix this here around the skimmer box. Customer just told me now they're going to replace all these hooks, as you can see here, and we're going to put a new light in for him. Those little areas there where the actual fiberglass is sticking out is going to get fixed up, but that's what we're busy with today. So the pool's relined, and then obviously the jets, we are going to replace that as well. So that is it. It's the second part of the relining process. Let me get out of here. The next time you see the pool, the top coat will be in and the pool will look fantastic. So until next time, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Simon again here from Perfect Pools, and we are finished with this swimming pool. Customer is super happy, and let me just turn the camera around. You can have a look at it, and customer is absolutely happy. I have to admit that it took a little bit longer than normal because Cape Town had some really bad rains. Well, bad, it's good rains, but it's enough now. Anyway, okay, well, that's it from my side. Until next time, and remember, if you need your pool to be done, don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll gladly come and help you. From my side, until next time, bye.